This may be different than anything you've seen, but it works. So if you want a flat stomach and you want to lose weight quickly, just follow this video and you can't fail. Just 10 years ago, I wouldn't have imagined I would need a flat stomach and small waist workout video. But I did, and likely you're here now because you're in that place. When I turned 30, something shifted. It wasn't just the number. It was how my body seemed to respond differently to everything I did. The jeans that used to fit perfectly started feeling snug around the waist, and no matter how much I tried to ignore it, my belly wasn't as flat as it once was. I remember standing in front of the mirror one day, frustrated but determined. That's when I realized I needed a change, a simple, sustainable way to feel confident again without spending hours at the gym or breaking the bank on fancy equipment. What if I told you there's a way to achieve a flatter belly and slimmer waist right from your living room? And what if it only took 10 minutes a day? This is exactly what I discovered, and today, I want to share those life-changing exercises with you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jean, and like many women over 30, I've faced challenges with weight gain, stubborn belly fat, and finding time for fitness amidst busy schedules. But here's the good news. Science shows us that targeted exercises can make all the difference. These aren't complicated moves requiring weights or machines, just your own body weight and a little bit of determination. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to start seeing results fast. Trust me, these moves are easy enough for anyone to do, even if you're new to working out. So grab some water, put on comfortable clothes, and let's dive into this journey together. Before we get into the exercises, I want to explain why they work so well, especially for women over 30 and anyone who is just beginning exercising again. Did you know that as we age, our metabolism slows down? This makes shedding stubborn belly fat harder than ever. Add hormonal changes and stress to the mix and it feels like an uphill battle. But don't lose hope. Science has shown that specific movements can boost your core strength and rev up your metabolism. Standing exercises in particular are incredibly effective because they engage multiple muscle groups at once. They also improve posture and balance, which becomes increasingly important as we grow older. Plus, standing workouts burn calories while toning your midsection, all without needing any special equipment. Let's jump right into the exercises so you can see just how simple yet powerful they are. Remember, these exercises are for beginners, but even if you are in a higher level of shape, you can intensify these exercises either through increased speed or added repetitions. The first exercise is called standing side crunches. Here's how you do it. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart, hands behind your head, elbows pointing outward. Now lift your right knee toward your chest while simultaneously bending your torso to bring your left elbow closer to your knee. Focus on squeezing those side muscles. You've got this. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. This move targets your obliques, helping to carve out a slimmer waistline. Keep your movements controlled and steady. If you're a beginner, take it slow and focus on form rather than speed. Remember, consistency is key. Next up, we have standing knee raises. This one not only engages your abs, but also adds a cardio element to keep your heart rate up. Start by standing straight with your arms extended in front of you. Lift your right knee high enough to meet your hands, then lower it back down. Alternate legs quickly, almost like you're marching in place. You'll feel your core activating as you stabilize yourself during each lift. Go at your own pace. If you need to slow down, that's perfectly fine. The goal here is to challenge yourself without sacrificing proper technique. Breathe deeply and stay focused. You're doing great. Our third exercise is standing torso twists. This movement is fantastic for digestion and tightening the core. Begin by standing with your feet hip-width apart, knees slightly bent. Extend your arms straight out in front of you at shoulder height. Keeping your hips stable, twist your upper body to the right, then return to center and twist to the left. Imagine you're wringing out a towel with your torso. This motion helps activate deep abdominal muscles that often go neglected. As you twist, remind yourself to breathe deeply. Inhale as you come back to center. Exhale as you rotate. Feel free to modify by slowing down or reducing the range of motion if needed. For our final exercise, we're going to combine strength and stability with wall sight with arm raises. Find a sturdy wall and lean against it, sliding your back down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Your knees should be directly above your ankles, forming a 90-degree angle. Once you're in position, extend your arms straight out in front of you. Slowly raise them overhead, then lower them back down. Yes, your thighs might burn, but think of the payoff. This move builds lower body strength while engaging your core. If holding a full wall seat feels too challenging, try lowering halfway instead. Every effort counts. Throughout the routine, I encourage you to listen to your body. Stay hydrated and maintain good posture. Proper alignment ensures you're targeting the right muscles and reduces the risk of injury. Take breaks if you need to, but push yourself just a little further each time. Progress takes patience, but sticking with these exercises will yield noticeable results sooner than you think. Now that we've completed the workout portion, let's transition into a quick cool-down stretch. Cooling down is essential for preventing soreness and promoting flexibility. We'll start with a forward fold. Stand tall, hinge at your hips, and let your upper body hang loosely toward the ground. Allow gravity to gently stretch your hamstrings. Next, move into a seated spinal twist. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Bend your right knee and place your foot outside your left thigh. Twist your torso to the right, placing your left elbow on the outside of your right knee. Hold for a few breaths, then switch sides. Finally, finish with the child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward, resting your forehead on the mat. This pose promotes relaxation and releases tension in your lower back. Take a moment to breathe deeply and appreciate the work you've done today. Let's turn the spotlight on you for just a second. Tell us which exercise was your favorite. Was there a particular move that felt surprisingly effective? Or maybe there's another area you'd like me to focus on next. I genuinely value your feedback. Comment below and let me know. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button because it helps more women discover this workout. Sharing your thoughts not only connects us, but also motivates others who may be on a similar journey. Hi, this is Jean with Fit Fusion, and this is our YouTube channel. I'm jumping in with a side note as I don't want to forget to mention our free guide called the Myth Buster. I want to mention this guide because there is one specific roadblock it addresses that prevents women aged 30, 40, and beyond from being able to get flat stomachs, smaller hips, and prevents us from losing weight all the way around. It is a huge problem that can be solved in just 5 minutes. We share this solution in detail in this guide, and I truly believe combining what you've learned from this video, along with what our guide provides for you, will change your life. Again, the guide is free, so pick up a copy using the link in the description below. Consistency is truly the secret sauce to achieving lasting results. Combine these exercises with healthy eating habits, and you'll amplify their impact. For example, incorporating more whole foods, lean proteins, and fiber-rich vegetables into your diet can support your fitness goals. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day keeps your body functioning optimally too. Another tip is to celebrate small wins along the way. Maybe you held a plank for 5 extra seconds or noticed your clothes fitting looser. Those moments matter. They remind you that progress is happening, even if it doesn't always feel immediate. Speaking of progress, let me share a personal story. When I first started doing these exercises, I doubted whether they'd actually make a difference. I stuck with them anyway, reminding myself that every step counts toward becoming the best version of myself. Over time, I began noticing subtle changes, not just physically, but mentally as well. I felt stronger, more energized, and proud of the commitment I was making to my health. If I can do it, so can you. Trust the process and trust yourself. If you're enjoying this content and finding value in these workouts, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click the red subscribe button below and ring the bell icon so you never miss a video. Subscribing not only supports my mission to empower women through fitness, but also gives you access to more life-changing workouts tailored specifically for busy moms, professionals, and anyone looking to prioritize their well-being. In my next video, I'll be sharing more ways to boost energy and flexibility. The video is already queued up on your screen now, so be sure to check it out after this one. Remember, transformation doesn't happen overnight, but every effort you make brings you closer to your goals. Stay consistent, stay positive, and most importantly, stay kind to yourself. See you in the next video, where we'll continue building strength, confidence, and resilience, one step at a time.